6 positions, super tough, and works with any boot. This is the Revolver shift lever. With 6 adjustable positions, you can set the lever exactly where it fits right for you. Made from high-strength A2014 aluminum, aircraft grade, lightweight, tough, and built to last. And it's designed to work smoothly with your boots. No snugging, no fuss, just smooth shifts every time. ZETA Racing, locked and loaded for your next ride.